the library. So it where teachers can access in the library, I will show you. So in the LSL activity, so here is the activities, whatever you have selected, here is the students. So students list here we can check. As a teacher, we can check here. So once you're done with the selection of the students, so how we will get the students means based on the selection of class, based on selection of programs you are assigned, based on selection of sections. Based on them, you will get the students list here. Once you click on publish, this homework will be published to the students and it will appears in the Infinity Meta student application, Infinity Meta Junior student application. So that is how teachers can assign homework to the students. So doc attachment is not for the primary or pre-primary. So we are skipping this. So after giving homework, so here we are in homework only. Wait a minute. Here homework. So once after giving a homework, after like for example, you have assigned 2 or 3 homeworks. So in the homework page, you will find this draft. You will find these 4 sections: ongoing, upcoming, past, and draft. So in the draft, So in the draft, we will find the unpublished homeworks. Means you have given homework, you have means you have filled the form, you have selected the content, you have checked the student also, but you didn't use the publish option. So those homeworks you can check in the draft. So whatever the homework is there in the draft, that homework is not published and that homework is not visible to the students. But here we have a 3 more sections, that is ongoing, upcoming, and past. Ongoing means currently running homeworks. Upcoming means future scheduled homeworks. Past means completed homeworks. So from the past, here for example, this homework is assigned by the teacher. Once the teacher click on this view details, so teacher can see the student wise report, like first student submitted the homework or not, second student submitted or not. So such type of data teachers can check in the past. Nothing but a homework reports teacher can check in the past. So that is about the homework. And next thing is a test. So test is for the teachers. So here you will get the my test section. So if you log in into the application, you will get the two things, like two options, two sections. One is the student test here, and here you will get the my test. So in the students test, as a teacher, you will find the test whatever is assigned for the students. And here you will find your test. My test means your, as a teacher, your test. So you can check the teacher test here. So that is about the test. 1 minute. So next thing is the reports. So in the reports, we have a two sections: analytic report, cumulative reports. Analytic report means like overall report. For example, I'm a student in my class, 60 students are there. So what is my rank throughout the section? It will display in the analytic report. Like see this, for example, this test is assigned for 2938 students. In that 894 only submitted. So here in the test reports, currently you are not showing student-wise reports. Like overall performance we are showing in a percentage-wise manner. Like as we see, this test is assigned in that what is the lowest marks percentage, what is the highest marks, what is the average marks percentage, what is the good performance of the test, what is the low performance of the test. Along with that, we will show the attempt to unattempt percentage also. And these incorrect questions, unattempted questions is for the assessment and the doc attachment homework types. But in a SL activity, questions will, we are not providing questions. That is why it will not be there for the SL activity. In SL activity, we are providing only videos, activities, and the documents only. And here in the cumulative reports, student-wise reports we can check here. Like if you enter one student ID, particular student ID, so here it will display whatever the test assigned for that student. So for example, this is the test assigned for that student, his rank, what is his rank and what is the score. Like for SL active, this is the test, right? So this is social weekly test 3 is assigned for this student. So it will display like what is the rank. what is the score he got. So everything it will shows in the cumulative reports, student wise reports. And here one thing in the analytic report, like this is incorrect questions means this is not about the homework. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. This is about the test, right? So in the test, we will provide the questions only. The for primary also we will provide the questions. So here students can check the incorrect questions percentage and unattempted question percentage also. Students means teachers. Teachers can check the students overall test percentage. Like 20 questions were assigned to the student. So in that first question, what is the incorrect percentage? Second question, what is the incorrect percentage? Third question, what is the incorrect percentage? Like the teachers can check the students, yeah, like overall students incorrect percentage. If incorrect percentage is high, like out of 100, 90% to mark incorrect means 90 percentage of students marked incorrect. That means they don't know about that particular topic. So as a teacher, by seeing this report, we can discuss that particular question in the classroom. So in that way, it will helpful to the students. So they will get knowledge on that particular topic, particular question or particular concept. So that is how these reports will helpful to the students and the teachers. And next thing is the library. So here we have a library. In the library, actually we have like we are providing a documents and the videos to the student, videos to the teachers. But for primary and pre-primary, there is no documents. Only teachers can access the videos. So to access them here, teacher need to get the grade. Teacher need to select the grade, exam, orientation, and the subject. Here, one thing to remember, like for example, I am a teacher. I am not getting my class. Like I am not getting fifth class or I am not getting fourth class. I'm getting like other classes. I'm getting like I'm a primary teacher, but I'm getting pre-primary. I'm a pre-primary teacher, but I'm getting primary. So what should I do? And here subject. If I am a mathematics teacher, I'm getting English. If I'm English teacher, I'm getting EVS. So for that purpose, teachers, every teacher need to contact the school principal. So principal have a permission that principal have access to give those permissions to the teachers. So that thing also I will show you. We have a video for it. We have already shared with all the branch principals. So to access teacher application, principal need to give the subjects, whatever the teacher teaching, and the classes and the sections and the programs. So principal need to map everything to the teachers, then only they can get the content in the Infinity Meta teacher application. So for the in charges, for the zonal in charges, for everyone, admin will give the permissions. Means from central office, we will provide those permissions and the restrictions to the journals and the in charges. But for the teachers, for the teaching staff, principal will give those content. Principal will give those restrictions. So then only they will get the content. So here this is the way to get the videos. This is the way to get the content in the library. So teacher need to select the grade, exam, orientation and the subjects. Once they click on proceed, two sections will be there, documents and the videos. Document section, teachers can find the documents. Currently there is no documents for the primary and pre-primary. And in the video section, they will find the class wise, like whatever the class they have selected, they will get those particular subject chapters only. So once they click on chapter, they will get the videos. So in the teacher application, teachers can access those videos. So that is about the library. Next thing is this is the profile. Teachers can see the basic details, their name, their mobile number, and their email ID. And same, this is the support number. Same support number for the Meta or Meta Junior or Meta Teacher. 1800 and support mail ID is meta.support@infinitylearn.com. So this is about the mobile application. Now I will play one video. In that video, it will explains about how principals can give permissions to the teachers. How principal can give restrictions to the teachers. And along with that, it will shows where, like in the web portal, how we can log in. So I will play now.
To begin, open Google Chrome and in the address bar, enter srichaitanyameta.com and press enter.
So srichaitanyameta.com is the URL to access Infinity Meta teacher application in the web portal. So we need to enter srichaitanyameta.com in the Google. So from starting again I am playing.
To begin, open Google Chrome and in the address bar, enter srichaitanyameta.com and press enter. Select the staff role on the login page. Enter your employee code with suffix S and password. Click on Login. After logging in, from the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Manage Users.
So this manage users option will be there only for the principals. And principals can access these manage users in the web portal only. They cannot access, like as a principal, if I log in into the mobile application, I cannot see this manage users feature. I can see this manage users feature in the web portal only. So in the web portal only, principals can give permissions or restrictions to the teachers. So let's resume.
Click on the Teachers tab at the top. This will display a list of all the teachers. Select any one of the teachers. Nothing to do in permissions, directly click on Restrictions. Click on Edit Restrictions. From the available categories, no need to select anything in tenant and branches. Directly go to Grades and select the required grades. In the Programs, select the required programs. In the Batches and Sections, always select All. In the Subjects, select the required subjects. Next, click on Save Changes. To review the restrictions, click on the Restrictions tab again. The restrictions you have provided will be displayed here for your reference.
So this is how principals should give restrictions to the teachers. So then only teachers can access the teacher application. Teachers can give the homeworks to their students, to their teaching students. So this is about the student application and the teacher application. So if you have any doubts, please unmute and you can let us know the doubts, whatever you have.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, we kept in practice this teacher app, sir. We tried to give the homeworks to the students.
Okay, ma'am.
After we assigned the homework, we checked with the student app also whether they received or not according to the campus and class wise.
Okay.
And we have a doubt like how to submit the completed homework or a worksheet where the student need to be submitted optional. We have
in the homework, in the application, I have shown the diary module now. Diary part is there, right? So
yes,
whatever the teacher assigning homeworks using a teacher application, those homeworks students can see in the diary section. In the diary, they
yes,
have a section called homework. In the homework, they will find the like whatever the videos teachers and or documents or the activities.
yes, sir.
So from their teacher need to students need to submit. Submit means once they play the video, once they watch the video, that means they done the homework. So that
Okay,
thing in the teacher application, you can check in the past section. Like after completing the time, in the past section, you can see like this student is watched or not. Means submitted means that student is watched the video, did the activity. So submitted means that is the thing, madam. That is the activity done by the student. Submitted by the student, homework done, submitted by the student.
The teacher's data, whatever has been assigned, like the number of classes, whichever subjects they have been assigning, it should be updated every year, is it, sir?
Yes, madam, every year, because some teachers may teach other classes, or some teachers may shift to other branches now, madam. If data is correctly only, means next year, from this year to next year it will not change, means no need to do the mapping, madam. But
Okay, sir.
students will increase now, madam. Students and sections will increase in branches. So better in every starting academic year, we can map. It is better, madam. If we map again, it will better.
That should be done from the branches only, right, sir?
For the teachers, it will be done by the principal, madam.
Yes, sir.
But for the principals, for the in charges, for the journals, for the deans, for everyone, it will be done by the central office.
So, sir, we zonals, are we going to get any access to the branches, whatever we are handling right now, sir, to ensure, like, the implementation of this app by the teachers, the usage and all, to monitor it, sir?
Usage, we are sharing usage to each and every principal, madam, each and every branch principals. Weekly, twice we are sharing the usage of the Infinity Meta Junior and the usage of the teacher application also. Tuesday and Friday. Yesterday, we have already sent to the principals. So from the principals, you can take those data, madam.
Sir, if we zonals are also marked in the mail, it would be helpful, sir, so that, we
Okay,
can also get
and currently we
personal.
don't have the mail IDs of journals. So once I will talk with the my IR authorities. So based on their decision, we'll try to provide the data to the journals also, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay. So one more thing, now when it comes to the OTPs, like when we are trying to register and all, it will ask for the alternate mobile number, right, sir? So there are certain teachers who have given the alternate mobile number of their husbands and all. So when I'm
Okay,
trying to log in, the OTP is not going to the mobile number of the teacher. It is going to the alternate mobile number.
madam. In the application, whatever the mobile number is displaying, to that mobile number only it will goes, madam. I think they have registered alternate mobile, like primary mobile number is only the alternate mobile number. I think so. Means they are given primary mobile number is the alternate mobile number.
I have to check this with the teachers. I'll just
Yes,
check.
yes.
And sometimes is it due to the network issue or what, sir? The public option is not being enabled.
Publish.
I mean, sorry, the publish option. Yeah.
Okay. No, I mean, actually, if you are given all the sections, if you given all the students, I mean, if you done with the form filling, content selection, and the student selection, the publish option will be enabled, madam. If you miss any thing in those sections, it will not enable to publish, madam.
Um, okay, sir. So one
So once
small
try
request.
to, yes, madam.
If an orientation for teachers is given on this with an hands-on experience, I feel that will be much more beneficial, sir. Although we are guiding everything, it's
Okay.
like the teachers who are accessing the app and all, right, sir. So if in case they are having a hands-on experience session, either an online or an offline session for them, that would be really beneficial for them, sir.
Yes, yes, madam. So uh, that academics will plan for it, madam. So once if they will tell, so we will definitely give a session to the teachers also.
Yes, because at the time of workshops, they just had this subject-wise, the sessions were given. But
Okay.
if they are exposed to multiple sessions, then the productivity of accessing the app would be more. So that's what.
Ye- Okay. Yes, madam. That is correct, madam. So we'll try to give sessions to the teachers also. But if they use with their own, so they will get more knowledge on the application, madam.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
So the video, whatever you have played right now, can we get that, sir? The video.
mm, Means, madam, we have all actually what I'm saying, we have already shared to the principals, But to share it with you, we don't have your mail IDs. So we need to get all your journal mail IDs. So like what we do, we'll share it with the Ravi sir. So
Okay,
you
sir.
can take it from the Ravi sir, madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, from Tamil Nadu, sir, we have just one doubt, sir.
Yes, madam.
Regarding assigning this home task, the tab whichever you have displayed, it shows the number of students or all the students in the class. So is it the teacher have to select every time all the students? Maximum they will assign homework for the entire class. Say grade 5A, the teacher will select all the 35 children. Is there any option that they can altogether select it? Because I couldn't see the select all option. And every time a teacher assigns homework, she has to select every 40 names.
No, madam. Actually, once we click, there is no student-wise selection, madam. Section-wise
Hmm.
selection is there in the application. So once you select any section, all students will be selected. So no need to select the student, one student to like, there is no option like that in the application, madam.
Okay, but the tab which the screenshot shows the names of the students, so just
That
wanted
is,
to have
it is
this
just
clarity.
displaying, madam. Whatever the student have selected to that homework, it is just
Hmm.
displaying. No need to select there. Just you need to review. These students are belongs to this particular class or not. Any other students
Hmm.
are there. So that thing you need to
Okay,
check
sir.
there.
In case if they wanted to customize for a particular set of students, that's not possible, right,
That
sir?
is not possible with the mobile application, madam. With the web
Okay, sir.
portal, we can do that, madam.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
We are unable to see the pre-K portal, sir. In portal where the teachers are finding difficulty to assign homeworks for nursery.
Means you're talking about the homework, madam, or
Yes,
videos
yes,
library?
homeworks.
No, madam. Yesterday only I have seen like nursery, LKG, UKG I have tried, so I can able to assign homeworks, madam.
So I got this information day before yesterday. I'll
Okay.
check, sir. Yeah.
Okay. But one thing, madam, for primary, is it okay? Everything is okay, but for pre-primary, library is not working. Homework is working. Library is, when in the library we are providing videos, right? So library is not working currently. So that thing also we have shared with the technical team. So they are working on it also. So like in the future, they will get the library also. Pre-primary, but primary is working. Library is working. Homework assignment is also working for the primary.
Regarding the primary, Mavericks content is not available for all the topics.
Mavericks content, madam.
Yes, sir. When
Okay.
we observe, only YLP content is available. Lesson-wise videos or worksheets and everything.
Okay, Mavericks, that means, madam, based on the subject, madam, like whatever the
Yes.
subject is assigned for the teacher. So if they select that particular subject, means if they select the Maverick subject, they will get the Mavericks content.
Yes, sir, we did the same way, but not, I mean, not much content is not available.
So, madam,
Only
whatever academics provided content will display in the application, madam. So I will talk about this with academics, like teachers are mentioning that less content is there in the Maverick. So academics will plan for it to update more content, madam.
Okay. Right.
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir. In Meta app,
Yes, madam.
to show the content, Meta Junior app, student certification. No, SL and TL not uploaded, sir. Can we have the
Excellent EL.
Hindi and Telugu?
For which grades, madam?
All the grades, sir. From 1 to 5.
Videos, means content means the documents are there, madam, or nothing is
Yeah.
showing?
See, practice is also nothing. This blank screen is coming.
Once I will talk about this, madam, with the team. So if
See,
any
only the
content
core
is there,
subjects reflecting, sir. Core subjects are reflecting, but languages they are.
can you specify any particular branch or any particular orientation?
No,
Mavericks
no,
are techno, madam.
All,
no, YLP.
sorry.
I'm talking about YLP languages, sir. Both, even Mavericks and YLP, they have both the same subjects, sir.
Okay. Okay, madam. Let me
Telugu
check
videos
this
are
with
not available. So,
Telugu
Even
videos
Hindi
also
also
not
check
there.
this.
Hindi we
Hindi
have.
also check.
Okay, madam. Okay, I will talk about this content with the academics. So if any content is there with us, definitely we will map to the students. It is not there means, I mean, in the application it is not there means we didn't get a content. So I will discuss this thing with the academics, madam.
Thank you.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. One more doubt, sir, regarding
Yes.
the assessment for teachers. Will it be the same paper displayed what the students are attempting to know what is the test is about or the questions, or it is teachers appropriate test that is applicable for teachers level of knowledge?
For teachers, that is means teachers level of knowledge only, madam. Like their subject test will,
It is to evaluate the teacher's performance, sir.
yes, madam, to teachers'
Because
performance
previously in
only.
Infinity Meta Junior app, when they get teachers login, the teacher can see the same test what the child is going to take up.
That
Is
is the
that the
dummy
same?
logins, madam. That is a different.
Yes.
This
Okay.
test is the different.
Okay, sir.
It is only for the teachers only. Like in workshops, you all have written in the
Their
papers,
appraisal test or
appraisal test in the papers, right? Offline, like so those tests academics is now going to conduct in the application.
Okay, sir. So if at all a teacher wants to know what is the entire question set for a child, it is going to be for the midterm or FA1, they have to log in with the same previous IDs which we usually do, sir.
Yes, madam. That is the application dummy users, dummy logins.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in that you can see whatever the student taking the test in the application. So using a dummy logins, you can also check in the application, madam. So that thing is
Okay, sir.
different. This thing is different, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So if any doubts, please unmute yourself.
Sir, is there any provision, like for example, students when they are taking up the online objective test and all, no, sir, like pre-midterm, midterm and all.
Yes, madam.
So, I mean, I'm just asking if there's any option available like that, where, however, the concerned teachers are assigned according to the sections and all, right, with the subjects. The teacher gets to know the marks of the students in the teacher's application. It would be helpful because we have to wait for the marks to come from central office, right, sir?
Yes, madam.
So something like once the students submit the science, like for example, 4A science today, the exam got over. So the
Okay.
respective branch, I mean the section 4A teacher, if she will get marks of all the students, then it will be helpful for her also, no, sir. Because what is happening, sometimes the marks what we are receiving from central office and the marks what the students have attempted and when they are trying to show it on the screen, pictures, no, there is a variation. That's the reason, sir.
Yes, madam. In the teacher application, I have shown the report section, right, madam?
Yes, sir.
The reports, we have a cumulative reports section is there. In there, you can check the student wise. Student wise means like you need to enter the student ID. Student wise, like means you need to enter the student ID, so you will get the test whatever the student taken. So test wise student details you can check, madam, but you cannot get the report. Report means you cannot get the Excel wise report. You cannot export any data from the application. But
So
from
the
the
marks can be seen, sir.
yes, madam, you can see the marks in that reports, madam.
Sir, can you show us one example of that reports where to click on and see this,
Yes,
sir?
madam.
I saw the gent.
See, madam, in the teacher application report section is there, madam. So once you go to the reports, analytic report and the cumulative reports. So here is the cumulative report. Once you click on it, here you need to enter the student ID. To enter the student ID, whatever the student taken test will display under here. So this student is taken this test. So his score is 7 out of 20. So like that student wise reports, you can check in the report section.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, madam.
In Hyderabad, we have only particular Star Kids branches. They did
Star
not
Kid.
receive the dummy logins. Star Kids, only Star Kids, that means pre-primary. They're using
Star
last
Kids.
year's,
Okay. Madam, what is the branch name?
all the, so we have like near
Uh,
to 50 branches, sir.
okay. Okay, once I will check it with the Shahrukh,
See,
madam.
the pre-primary, along with CBSE, they got the dummy logins, but especially Star Kids branches, they did not receive.
Okay, okay. Once I will check it with the Shahrukh, madam, Shahrukh sir.
Sure.
So if Shahrukh sir is not send the dummy logins, so I will talk with him and I will ask them to share again, madam. So this is all about.
Very good afternoon. Uh,
Sorry, Rubina, madam.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, madam.
That is regarding the when we're about yes, sir. When we're following about the logins and usages of the app, sir, like what the count of percentage what teachers are giving, it's not tallying with the count of percentages what the principals have received, like in the consolidated sheet. So it's what is reflecting in principal's consolidated sheet, it's not updated on what I really feel.
So you're saying means teachers are assigning homeworks, but it is not updating in the reports. That is what you are saying, telling now, madam.
About the usage of the app, sir. About the
Okay,
usage
you
of
are
the app,
talking about the usage.
the percentage is not telling. Yes.
Okay. So, okay, madam, once give it to the teacher name. We are getting these calls from many teachers. So once give any teacher's employee code, so we will check it from our team. So like we will find the root cause, like this teacher assigned how many tests and what we are giving a report to the principals. Everything we will check it from my end, madam. So can you, if you have any
Sure.
teacher's ID, please. Yes, madam, please tell me
I'll
the
forward.
teacher's employee code.
Sure, sir. Forward.
Okay, madam. Actually, madam, 1 day delay will be there for the usage reflection, but more than 1 day it will not take, madam. Like if you are using, we will export the data every Tuesday and every Friday. Like what is the usage of teachers and the students every Tuesday and Friday. Like if you use on Monday night, if you use on Monday evening at the Monday evening or afternoon, it will not be reflect on Tuesday. But if you use on Sunday or before Sunday, compulsory reflects on the Tuesday's export data, madam. So only 1 day delay will be there. More than 1 day it will not be there, madam. Tuesday you are getting means if you
Yes,
use
sir.
on Monday.
Giving the clarity on.
Okay.
Thank
Sir, once
you,
again, regarding this usage percentage, just wanted a clarity, sir. So is it for any number of days, like last 15 days usage or last week usage or within these many days usage? Or how the usage percentage of a particular grade or a branch is determined?
madam,
Because we are getting screenshots from parents that they have used the app, but their name is reflecting as not used.
okay.
Only certain branches, not all the branches have come up with this concern. But just wanted to know the clarity on usage percentage, sir, because we can see almost 90% have taken up the tests recently, the weekly test and the pre-midterm, whatever is assigned in the
Madam,
app.
tests will not comes under the usage, madam.
Okay, sir.
Test is
So only the
different.
regular content.
Yes, madam. Video, how many videos they have watched, how many activities they are.
Okay.
So content, means usage is about the content.
Content
Test is
usage.
about
Okay,
the
sir.
test taken, madam.
Is there any particular bandwidth or within these many days only the usage will be reflecting, sir? So if a student has not used this content for 15 days, will the student name go for a not used
No, like
data
not like
or?
that, madam. From last month, we are taking the
Hmm.
data.
Okay, sir.
So if student is not used since this month, so it will be shows as a not used only.
Okay, sir. So the student have to use it regularly, only then
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
reflect in the
Regularly, yes,
used
madam.
percentage. Okay.
So, you have any doubts? If there is no doubts, we will wind up the session.
Sir, in
Yes, ma'am.
teachers app for primary teachers, we have it's reflecting high school content, sir, high school tests and all.
For primary teacher, madam. That
Yeah,
means
so
for that particular teacher, mapping is like principal is mapped other classes maybe, or central office is mapped other classes, 6th or 7th classes. That is why the teacher is getting the high school content, madam. Once give that employee code, madam, if you have. Now you
Sorry
have.
to
I
interrupt
don't have
again,
that
sir. For
You
me
do,
also, it's 10th grade and all it's reflecting, sir, for my ID.
in your ID also
Tamil
you are
Nadu
getting.
zonal coordinates.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
Revati, madam,
10th
please
grade.
once give your employee code, madam.
Okay, sir, sure. Should I post it here in your window in the Zoom chat or?
You can post in the Zoom chat,
chat
madam.
is disabled, ma'am.
Sure, sir. I'll post it, sir. I'll
Okay.
share it to Ravi, sir.
Then madam, better share to Ravi sir, madam. So Ravi sir will share with us.
Yeah, I can see 10th grade content, sir. One more grade 6 content because I'm a parent as well. Grade 6 content is fine. But one primary grade and 10th grade is also reflecting in my ID long since.
Okay. That means we have seen the video now, madam. In that video, for you, classes were assigned of like 10th class assigned teacher will like principal or central office will for you means your journal means yeah, central office will only
I'm
assign
dealing
us.
only primary compartment, sir. Almost I'm observing this for few months. The moment Infinity Meta teacher app was launched.
Okay. Okay, madam. Once I get the once
Sure,
I
sir.
get your employee code, I will check it from my end, madam.
Sure, sir.
No. So thank you all. Thank you for joining the session. So if you have any doubts after the session or while using the application, so you can call to the support number and you can mail it to the support mail ID. So thank you all. Thank you for joining.